next stop was Nelspruit, where the group was welcomed by a traditional song and dance at the Mbombela Stadium. The stadium pitch was being relayed at the time of the visit, and some questions were raised about its readiness. But Mbombela's mayor reassured us that the stadium would be ready for the big event.
Our people should be confident that we'll host one of the best, FIFA events in this city. It will take place in what I think is the most beautiful platform. The stadium itself is something that seeks to blend, the cultural diversity of our people and obviously the wild environs, that are found. Two very important symbols is the giraffe and the zebra, and the colorful. And I'm sure that going around, you're also able to see the vibrancy, the beautiful, and colorful interior of the stadium, which in itself is also a reflection of, the spirit of our people.